Hi, I'm really nervous right now. So, I am filming on my floor for a reason. I saw the queen of YouTube, Joanna Cedida. She did following a Bob Ross painting tutorial, BirdBox edition. Now, I've been wanting to do a following Bob Ross painting tutorial. I got a canvas and everything. My mom watches all of my YouTube videos. Hey mom, if you are like my mom and you probably don't understand anything that I'm talking about, I'm going to explain to you what we're doing today. Bob Ross was a famous painter. He is a painting legend. It is a trend to try to follow along with him because the juxtaposition of him doing it so easily and the comedic effect of someone failing so hard trying to paint like him is just like gold. That's the first part. The second part is a movie on Netflix called BirdBox. If you open your eyes or take off a blindfold, then you are subject to creatures that get you to kill yourself. I don't want to ruin the movie for you. It's a great movie, but basically that means we're going to be trying to paint like Bob Ross while blindfolded. I'm scared. So here's the thing. I have taken art classes. However, I would not say that I'm good at painting. So this is going to be a huge hot mess. I can't wait to get started. So I've got some protection for my floor because I rent. I'd like to get my security deposit back. I also don't have a standing canvas. I have this one that held up signs at my wedding. So I'm going to be using this today. We're off to a great start. I kind of need to know what colors I'm going to use. So I think before I get started, I'm going to pick a video to watch and gives me at least like a glimmer of having it be decent, I guess. I just am going to hope Bob Ross is very descriptive in his descriptions. Okay, so I've got all my paints. I think if I need to mix something, I'm going to do it on here so I know where it's going, even though I'm blindfolded. And I know it's really important to white your canvas with white paint first, so I'm going to do that first. I'm going to go ahead and get blindfolded. I'm so scared. I have no idea really what this painting is supposed to look like, so we're just going to go for it.
Hey, welcome back. Let's just take off and have some fun.
Well, I think I have everything I need, so let's take off today and have some fun. I need my paint brushes. I guess we could do like this. Pray that this is white. I don't want paint on my hand. I feel some liquid, so I think I don't know where to stop. I'm scared. I think I need a little bit more for the bottom. No idea if I actually put some more on my brush. This is so weird. All right, this feels pretty good, pretty even. Now, do I use a different brush? Bob, you better tell me.
Just sort of mix it on the brush. So just sort of dance this around.
Okay, so it's good that he said we don't want it too even. However, I don't know what kind of brush I'm using. I know I'm using blue and green. I don't know where I put that on my palette, and I don't know if he wants light blue or dark blue. I don't know where on the canvas I'm putting it.
Just make all these little different things happen.
It doesn't sound like he's using a really teeny tiny brush, so I guess I need a bigger medium-sized brush. Okay, so he did say let's just cover the whole top of the canvas, so that helps.
Don't care where this goes. Just let it blend down and play.
Oh, I don't care where it goes. Kind of feels like this could be a good brush to do that, but at the same time, if I'm covering the whole part of the canvas, I almost feel like I need to use this big brush again. So I'm gonna get a new plate to mix. Hopefully I just grabbed the blue and I'm gonna put it on here. And I think I put green and I'm gonna mix them. Do it on the upper part. I think I might have too much paint. I don't really know where the upper part of my canvas is. How long is it? Maybe like to here. I'm gonna blend this out wherever this is. I just heard him say it's supposed to look like trees. What? That makes me feel like I need to put more green in. Apparently, I'm gonna take the same colors, he said, mix black and make water on the bottom. It sounds like I'm supposed to start on the bottom and then brush it up so that it kind of blends out. So I'm gonna try to remember. I think I put black 1, 2, 3 spaces over. And then let me feel on my canvas. Is this my canvas? Yes. So apparently, here's my brush. I need to start on the bottom and make it darkest and then go up. I don't want it to go up too high. How high is this? Oh, that's probably good. That's probably good. Oh.
Pull it to a nice sharp point, just wherever you think there should be a tree.
Basically, I got the gist that he's taking brown and a thin brush because he said like twist it into a point. This feels like a thin brush, so I think I'm gonna mix my brown and my black together. He said you can paint it any which way, it doesn't really matter, so it makes me feel a little bit more confident. I'm gonna try to mix these together, and I assume they probably wouldn't be higher than the water. I'm gonna try to put some branches. That one was way too high. Am I up in the corner? Shh, I'm trying so hard to make this good.
Just putting a few little details.
Adding little details on what?
Why, there's thousands of little leaves on those rascals.
Oh, leaves, okay. An oval brush. I don't even know if I have that. This feels good. And I need blue, green, and white. I am hoping this is the plate I mixed white on, and then green was over here. Okay. I need to put leaves on my tree, so I'm going to try to guess where I put them. I don't know where I put them. I've learned anything from art classes, it's that dimension fixes everything, so I'm gonna put more green, new color of green, and add dimension. Alright Bob, what's next? He's putting whatever color we just used in the horizon. I'm gonna say that's here. Straight across, baby. I know from watching him, he uses like a flat thing, this. No. Ooh, I could use this. Right, and then I'm gonna get black, which I just know is this one. In the shore. Just here, I know. I just know it. White. Where did I put white? To do highlights, he says. That feels good. This feels right. Then he takes his oval brush again, takes yellow. I'm supposed to have yellow and green. And he says he makes some color on the horizon. So this feels really high up. So if this is the top, this is the shore in the middle, or the horizon in the middle, the water has to be here. And he makes trees. So I don't know exactly where these are and how they're different from the branches we already painted. I guess that's background and this is more foreground if I learned anything in my art classes. Where's my, oh, here's my spongy one. Oh shoot, what color did I have on here? Let's wipe it off. If I can guess where the bridge would be, I assume since he made two trees, could be like here. Then he says he goes back in with his oval brush in green. Is this where I mix green? And he's adding dark. The canvas feels wet and then dry, so I'm assuming to cover up. Basically, from what I can gather for the rest of the video, he's back in to add depth. So I guess I am going to back into green. I just feel in my heart that I kind of want to go and paint my water. I feel like that's it. I feel like I'm done. Feels good. Feels beautiful. I'm ready to see my Bob Ross painting. What the? It looks like nothing. It looks like nothing. It looks like I painted nothing. I can't even see what this is. This is, I guess, supposed to be my bridge. My trees I completely covered up. You can't even see it. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever done. Feel great. Feel wonderful. Feel proud. Feel beautiful. Feel great. Wonderful. I love it. It's amazing. I got paint all over my easel. However, I managed to somehow not get paint on my floor. Put a picture of this and the actual painting side by side so that you can see. I have paint all over my hands, which is great. Okay guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed sitting on the floor with me. If you did enjoy it, please give it a like, and if you have any requests down below, just leave a comment and I will surely do it. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye! This is going to be a pain to clean up.